Cab Rider here. This is the Clyde Armchair, and we're going for a razz up to York. We're going to do the Railway Museum today. So we thought we'd have a little razz out there and get some footage in there. And have a look around York. We have done York before, but not the museum. Since last time we were up there, it was all shut down, locked down. So we'll give it a whirl up there. So sit back and enjoy. See you in a bit. There we are, people. We've arrived in York. It's me and the missus. We'll have a walk around. We'll get some footage. Well, the missus is. Oh, she's there. There she is. She's off. She's away. So we'll, when we get down to the Railway Museum, we'll put it back on and do some footage in there. So in a bit. There's a part at Wall, people, York Wall. And just over there is York Railway Station. And we're going up the other side. Look, if you look at the new buildings in the background, that's part of the Railway Museum. But we've got to walk right round to get to it, so I'll put you back on when we get there in a bit. Welcome to York Railway Museum, people. We're just coming into one of the halls. This isn't the Great Hall. The Great Hall's the other side, and we'll go in there and just look at that. That's one huge machine, and it's called the Gladstone, London to Brighton, South Coast Railways. I don't know whether you can get that through. That's the controls. Look at that. There is a platform we can go on in a minute. We will go around there and get a closer view. Some of the old railway trains. You don't realise how tall they are, do you? I mean, these are taller than what's on rails now. But look at the coachwork on that. It's amazing. Look at this little one down here, in between, and then there's a modern one at end, or pretty modern to what this one is. Look at this here. It's like 3 stagecoaches glued together, isn't it? Let's put these steps looking on onto that platform. We'll get a closer look at them then. You can get a look inside. Yeah, for you. It's there's plenty of people here. Yo, come back up this way. Look at the luxury in there. I don't know how old these are. Oh, there might be a plaque here telling us what they are. 1840s. So I get that in so you can pause the video and read it at your own leisure, people. The Queen Adelaide's Saloon, and this one here is Queen Victoria's Saloon. I wonder if she's actually reading this. Again, I'll get that side in as well so you can read that at your own pace. And I'll show you it looks inside this one. I hope you're getting this, people. Look at that. sheer luxury. This, look at this part here. I could actually live in here. Yeah, I could actually live in this. Yeah. I'm taking these at toilets with blanked out windows. That's a bedroom up, people. I don't know whether you got that with reflection at glass. But just look at that. Let's put that down. And we're coming up to that steam engine up here, that big Gladstone. I think that's what it was called, yeah. This time you can actually get to see the controls properly. Look at that. You've got to admit, a bit more fun to drive really. That's where coal would have been kept in there, and water. Another massive steam engine here, people. And let's look at the controls on that. It's a young thing, you can actually see inside boiler there. There's what coal would have been. I don't know what this one's called, people. There's no plaque on it. What's that sound there? Midlands and Scottish Railway, London and Midlands Scottish Railway Company. Where are you getting that feel? There's a bathroom on this one. Look at that.
This is King Edward's time.
King Edward's this.
Oh, it says on that thing.
Yeah. Again, the luxury, you can see his bedroom here, look. Look at that. Real home from home, eh? This is his saloon, his living room area. Have a look at that. His little drinking area. Here we go, people. This is Queen Mary's saloon, 1900s to 1970s. Used across the country. Queen Mary's 1867 to 1953. We'll just get a bit of that in for you. Again, it's luxurious. Little drinking area, I suppose. And then up here we've got a living area. In a bit, people. There's a mock-up of the porter's job with luggage trolleys and what have you. Just get around these. Get it way more than all else, don't they? You can actually go inside this one. It's a Royal Mail train, but look at this. Yeah. Have a look. I hope it's light enough to get this, people. A sorting carriage. Yeah, look at this. This is third class. I don't know whether you're getting that throw inside, people, but because it's glare on glass. But it looks more comfier than trains today. What we travel on. Yeah, it's LMS, London, Midlands and Scottish. Well done, love. There's like an old guard van, a white one. In a bit, people. An old comma.
To jest teraz ten, ale to kiedyś wiesz co było. Teraz to jest blacha, ale kiedyś to było.
Look at this. Little old three-wheeler thing here, look cool. A platform truck. Old pull-out trolleys, wasn't it, this? You get that, people, that an old workhorse's engine for it there, look. I don't know what size engine it is, but it ain't big. Look at that, but that's a guard van. That's an old, we used to see them when we were kids on railway lines. And they're all back at train, the very back of the train. There's some junkies in here. In a bit, people. But another little workhorse on railways, but look at it. Don't know what it is and what it does. And it's a wooden thing. It's a wooden thing. Right, people. There's Stevenson's rocket, people. Let's get this plaque in, people. I need to read it.
Low power.
You just pause your video and read that at your own leisure. Stevenson's rocket, people. I don't know whether that's a real thing or a replica, but I don't know why it would be in here if it were a replica. Sorry about that, people. I'm setting my thing up. I can't see what's behind me. This is entrance to the Great Hall. We're stood in a massive look at the front of it. I think it's the Eurostar, I'm not sure. Oh, here we are. There we go, people, the Eurostar. one in front of us here is, I think this is the Japanese, what do they call them Japanese at the bullet train. Yeah, that's, I think you can actually go on that. We'll have a walk on and have a look in a minute, people. Yeah, that's true.
Go back out that way.
Hey?
Do you want to go back?
Yeah, we'll get up and pull me up, man. Oh, I was videoing then. I'll have to edit that bit out.
Oh, the fact that you got stuck in sleep.
Yeah. I thought I'd stopped it, Bill, and I do apologise about that bit. That's the bullet train, people. Japanese bullet train. Yeah, well, it's a diesel engine. Sulzer diesel engine, 1960.
You don't directly drive the train with the diesel. You drive
And,
the diesel drives the generator and the electricity drives the train. Which makes life a lot simpler because you haven't got to do all the different
The
gears.
Swiss company. Can I just get that in, love?
Sulzer, a Swiss company, designs small diesel engines.
It pause up, people, and read it at your own leisure. Sulzer diesel engine. And that, I think, is what it's out of. I'd imagine. One big engine. I bet my mate would know what all these are, Peter. That is one absolute huge steam engine. I'll see if there's a plaque right on the side, people, but you can't see it for that, but we'll go right on the other side and see if there's any plaque, see what it is. There's a Class 31, people. That's the picture of the restoration. And, again, I get this on screen so you can read it at your own leisure. 1957, Class 31. And there we go, people. That's the engine. I wonder how many people that's dragged up in that country. Yeah, people, look at that. This must be 50 yards long, this train, this engine. There's no plaque telling you what it is, but that is one huge train. Oh, there is that, in fact, I found it, yeah, well done. We'll have a look, see what it is. It's a KF7. 1935. And look at that, people. That's he must be one of the old engine drivers. A bit posh for an engine driver. There's a control. You can't actually get up to it because I've closed it off. But again, I'll put the plaque in, people, so you can read it at your own time. And as I said, yeah, it must be at least 50 metres long, this. People, this is a big turntable, there's a massive engine on it. The turntable. There's another little replica of Stevenson's rocket around here, I think. We'll have a look in a minute. Rocket. $18.29. I'll get that in, people. Just pause it and read it at your own. There you go. That'll be your first class travel, and your up there one, your second class travel. the inside of a boiler, people. A locomotive. All the engineering that goes into them, all the rivets. That's the fire hole there. All that's, and this is the way the water will, all them tubes. And this is where it steams. All made. You see the engineering that goes into these. Anyway, people. And that's the National Railway Museum done, people. We're going to go get a bit of lunch. I hope what I've got you'll enjoy watching. So we'll see you again. Anyway, thank you.